So, you want to get booked for weddings and business events. This is a very, very good strategy for making more money as a DJ. So, I really encourage you to do this because, there's this interesting dynamic going on within this industry. Like the student parties, the festivals, the clubs, they really have a very big oversupply of DJs. Because that's where the DJs mostly want to play. That's where like the connections through their personal circles, the events they're going to. That's where they get those connections. So, like DJs are really like trying to fill this void. On the other side, there's actually like a really big demand for DJs for weddings and business events. But it's also very underserved as well, because it's a very different environment, of course. It's usually a lot older people that don't really know a lot of DJs. And if you know the right places to look for or to advertise yourself as a DJ, then you can really make some easy money through that. Okay, so what's up, guys? My name is Mats and I've been a DJ for about the past 11 years. I've been on a little bit of a hiatus for like the past 2 years because of some personal life events. And I'm trying to get back into the game to see if I can actually make it big as a DJ. And this whole video series is about following my journey. So yeah, if that's something that you like, please subscribe. Okay, so how do you approach this as a DJ? How do you get bookings for weddings and business events? Well, you have to look at it from the other perspective, from the other side. Like I said in the beginning, this market is really underserved, and that's mostly because of the fact that these people, they don't know any DJs, or they barely know any DJs. And also most DJs don't know where to find these kind of bookings. So you just have to position yourself in an interesting way. So like I said, you have to look at it from the other side, from the other perspective. These people that are looking for a wedding DJ or for a business event, they usually don't know a lot of young people. They're usually a bit older than your general like DJ audience, and so they don't really have the network surrounding them where they can find these DJs that can serve them for these events very easily. And the usual way they go and approach this is through the internet. So they go on the internet to look for these DJs, and that's actually really the way that you also need to position yourself as a DJ. You need to be advertising yourself on the right kind of platforms. And this is actually a bit tricky because you don't really know where you should advertise yourself as a DJ. And this was for me as well. It took some figuring out. But I have a couple tips of how to do this as well. So the first thing that I suggest you do, if you have any DJs within your network, is just ask them, hey, how are you getting your bookings? Easy as that. Usually if you have DJs in your network that are already doing these kind of bookings, then they probably know a couple of places where they get these bookings, so that's a really easy way to approach that. But the second way I would do this, it's to just go on the internet and look for the right kind of places. So there's usually if these people that are trying to organize an event, either a wedding or a business event, they look for trustworthy sites where they can actually find good DJs. And there's an oversupply of these sites. So what I suggest you do is just to go find a couple of these sites and just try it. Like, make a good profile, have some good pictures of yourself as a DJ, throw a little description of what you like to do, what you like to play. And I mean, for me as well, this description about myself as a DJ, I don't necessarily love being an all-round DJ. I'm mostly interested in doing the trance, the techno, the drum and bass, but that's usually not the kind of music these people are looking for. So when you're like describing yourself on these websites, do it in a general way, in an all-round way, to just advertise yourself as a party DJ that just knows how to play the kind of vibe that they are looking for. That's very important, because these people, they're usually not looking for the electronic music. They're looking for the DJs that know how to play the old hits, you know, like from the 70s, 80s, 90s, thousands, you know, maybe even from your local area, you know, from your country, the top songs from the past like 20 years, stuff like that. And that's a really big way to profile yourself. So just make a couple of these advertisements on these websites where other people can look for DJs, and then just see what happens. Usually it takes a couple of like tries on these places to find out like a website that's a good fit for you. But yeah, it's actually like I was really surprised, to give you like some perspective from me. I was really surprised at how easy this was. Like, when I found the right kind of fit on the right kind of websites where I was just advertising myself as a DJ, like the bookings, they were really coming in a lot faster than I thought they would, because there is a real big need for these kind of DJs, and it's a market that's really underserved. So if you're trying to get more bookings, trying to get more like money as a DJ, then this is a really good strategy for actually approaching that. So yeah, that's a little bit of the tips that I wanted to give you today. I really hope this helps, and yeah, if you have any trouble with these kind of bookings, just comment down below, and yeah, I'll get back to you. Cheers.